morning all, I am Nandhini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a topic on database management system in normalization. In that we are going to see a first normal form. In that first normal form, what is known as a normalization and what is an 1NF. First normal form is denoted in the form of 1NF. Normalization is the process of organizing a data in a database, and data must be organized in a database to reduce the redundancy and improve the data consistency. The primary keys are really important in organizing the information into a data. The process of organizing data, and organization is getting a process of organizing data, and this data has an improvement data consistency. Primary keys are really important in organizing the information in a database. These are helps to have every row in a table has a unique identification so that nothing gets mixed up or lost. Nothing gets mixed up or lost is known as an one normal form. Set of having improving the consistency, reducing the database, organizing the information in a database. They helps to make sure that every row in a table has a unique identification or mixture of a lot. Next one, a first normalization. In this first normalization, we consist of an user. The user denotes the user requirement specification. User needs an user requirement specification, and these consist of a source that describes the entrepreneurship, such as a data dictionary and a data model, which all combines in the user requirement specification tells an unnormalization from UNF, which is used to remove the repeated groups. Next one is 1NF. First normalization consists to remove the particular dependency, and the 2NF. Second normalization is used to remove the transitive dependency, and 3NF. Third normalization is used to make sure every determination is a candidate key. Next one is a boycott normal form. Removes the multi-value dependency, and a 4 normal form which is used to remove the joint dependency, and the last one is denoted with a 5th normal form, because there are many normal forms used here. The main and the foremost thing is in first normalization form, which are used to particularly depend and to remove the user. Second one is an transitive dependency, which is used to remove the 2 normalization form, and third one is a determination is a candidate key, which is used to make a 3 normal form, and fourth one is a boycott normal key, which is used to have a multi-value dependency, joint dependency. In this first normalization form, 1NF requires each column in a table contains atomic value, and each row is uniquely identified. Suppose it, for example, it has been saying that a table consists of an atomic values. These atomic values in each row is been identified uniquely. In a unique manner it has been identified. Next one, it means that a table cannot have repeating groups. It represents that if there are many tables, that tables must not contain any groups that are to be repeated, and each rows must have a unique primary key. Unique primary key is been having for that in a primary key form. 1 normalization. Next one is 1NF. A table is in 1NF if each column contains the atomic value and each row is uniquely identified. For example, a table that lists customers and their phone numbers. For example, customer ID, name, phone numbers. In the customer ID consists of 1, 2, and 3, and the name consists of John, Jane, and Michael, and the phone numbers have been represented here. In this we are going to make an 1 normalization form, and it is used to store the table in an manner of an 1 normalization form, because this table consists of a customer and their phone number. The customer mainly the phone number will be an unique or primary key, because it is represented with a first normalization form. The first normalization form is nothing but which consists of a value, and each row is uniquely identified. This means that table cannot have a repeated groups. So unique or primary key is represented in this table, and the unique and the primary key is represented with the help of a phone number, and this phone number is represented with the help of a John, Jane, and Miracle is a name. This name can even be repeated in normalization form, but the phone number we cannot able to repeat it. And this is the main and the foremost normalization form, which is used to repeat the groups. The thing that is used to repeat the groups is a normalization form, but the remove a particular dependency, that is if it is not having any primary key. Suppose this phone number has been same, it will not be same for anyone because it is a unique identifier. At that time we can use this 1n normal form to use this one up in a proper way. And it follows the 1NF and the phone number contains the repeated groups and no formalization has been repeated. So it is in the form of a separate primary key. Thank you so much.